Dear student, today we discuss about the solution of system of equation. There are different types of method to solve the equation of linear equation like substitution method, matrix method, graphical method, Cramer's rule, row equivalent method, cross-sectional method, elimination method. One of them is elimination method. Here we discuss about the elimination method to solve the system of linear equation, to find the value of x, y, z, etc. from the given system of linear equation. We now discuss about this method. That method means elimination method. Now here to use the elimination method, here elimination method means to remove or delete one variable. There are the two variables in the given system of linear equation. There are the two variables x and y in the both equation. So to use the elimination method, first of all we make a plan to remove a variable. Suppose first of all we remove the variable x. To remove the variable x, we have to make the coefficient of x equal or same of the both equation. The coefficient of x in both equation will be same, but in the given two system of linear equation, the coefficient of x in the both equation are not same. Our plan is to remove x, so we need to make equal coefficient of x. Here the coefficient of x in the first equation is 3, and the coefficient of x in equation second is 2. So now we make a plan to make the equal coefficient of first equation and second equation. So first of we need to make equal means here 3 and 2. From the equation second, if 2 multiply in the first, the coefficient of x in the second equation multiply to the first equation, and coefficient of x from the first equation multiply to the second equation, then the coefficient of x will be same. So we should multiply the first equation by 2 and second equation by 3. Then the coefficient of x become 6 in the first equation, and coefficient of x in the second equation became 6. So we need to multiply the first equation by these 2 and second equation by 3 to make the equal coefficient of x. So now we write this multiplying equation first by 2 and equation second by 3. Here the coefficient of x in the first equation after multiplication became 6, and coefficient of x in the second equation became 6 after multiplication, but the minus sign is not raised in any coefficient, or they have the same sign. If they have the same sign, to remove x, we should subtract. If they have the same sign, then we need to subtract from equation first to second or second to first to remove x. They are the same sign. Because of the same sign, we need to subtract second from 1. So subtracting, we write subtracting second from 1. Here after the multiplication of first equation by 2 and second equation by 3, then subtracting from second subtracting from first, we can use this. Then we get here multiplying the equation first by 2, then this becomes 6x, and 5 2 the 10y, and 31 is also multiplied by 2, then we get 62. And the second equation multiplied by 2, not 2. Second equation multiplied by 3. So after the multiplication of 2 and 3 become 6x, and coefficient of y is minus 1. So here became minus 3y, and 12 multiplied by 3, that means 36. Where here we have to subtract from 1 2. Second equation from 1. So we should change the sign. Of each terms of the second equation. Here the 6x, the sign of 6x is positive, and the sign of the 6x in the second equation is negative. So this becomes cancelled. This process is called the elimination method. Here the 10y, the sign of 10y is positive, and sign of 3y is also positive. So they are the like term should be added. So we after addition it becomes 13y, and 62 minus 36 means here 26. 62 minus 36 equal to 26 here. So y equal to 26 divided by 13. Here the value of y we get 2. Here we get the value of y after the simplification. After a bit simplification we get the value of y. So after putting the value of y in first equation or second equation as you like, if we put the value of y in the first equation, that means in the place of y we put 2. The value of y equal to 2, or in the equation first or second we put means in the place of y we put the value 2. So now we write putting the value of y in first equation. So 3x as it is plus 5 as it is, and in the place of between 5 and y is multiplication, so we write multiply, and in the place of y we put the value 2, then equal to 31. After this, here 5 to the 10 equal to 31. Here 10 is left side is positive, so we subtract 10 on each side, then 10 will be cancelled and we get 31 minus 10. If 10 goes another side of the equal to, then its sign will change it, so it became 31 minus 10 means 21. Here 3x, 3 and x are in the multiply, so 3 divides on 21, then value of x equal to 7. Here hence the value of x equal to 7 and y equal to 2. It is the coordinate of a point. Here the value of x and y means this represents the equation of a straight line. This is the equation of a straight line. This is also the equation of a straight line. If we show in the graph copy, they forms a straight line in the graph copy, and its solution here x equal to 7 and y equal to 2 means their intersecting point. They forms a straight line in the graph copy or in any graph other copy. We draw then the given two straight lines meet each other. This line have infinitely many points. This line has also infinitely many points, but one of them is a intersection point. This line has a point as an intersection which where they are intersected to each other. That means if these lines represent this equation and this equation represent this line, then this is the coordinate of intersecting point. This is the intersection points of given two equation of the straight line. Thank you.